Alrighty, folks, we are back. Looks like this market is still looking to find support, nice and down low. So that means we can do another adjustment. I mean, the numbers are so small here, it doesn't really make a lot of sense, but I'll show you how to do it anyways because I've had a couple people tell me that I didn't actually demonstrate how to add or remove. I just showed people. I didn't actually walk anybody through this process. So here we are again at MCDEX, Bitcoin USD market. And as you can tell on the hourly chart here, we are definitely failing off still. So what we can do is first let's make sure my Coolio, we're good to go there. So we'll come in here and all we have to do is just hit this little plus icon, and then it says we have 16.6 BUSD available. So we're going to go and just remove 50% of what's there available now. So that's going to give us $8.30 back. But it's also going to increase our margin ratio and leverage. But that's fine because what we're going to do is we take that $8.60 that we get back. And I have a doggy coming to join me. What's up, doggy? And we can take a look at this when it decides to index for us. But we're then going to take that $8 and it's already in there, $8. And was it 40 cents? It's too early and the coffee hasn't kicked in yet, folks. Here we go, so 8.30. So then we're going to take this $8.30 that we received back from our margin require and put it to buying more Bitcoin. Since the price of Bitcoin is lower, it makes sense to take some of that Bitcoin or some of that BUSD and swap it into more Bitcoin, effectively lowering our cost of entry on that long. Not by much, since again we're only talking about tiny amounts here, but this is more demonstration and then making large sums of money, because I'm not going to throw thousands of dollars at this for YouTube to get another account leaked or something stupid like that. If you've watched me in the past, I've done a lot of live coding, and unfortunately things tend to get leaked if you're not careful, and people end up stealing your beans, folks. So we're just doing this to show you how it's working. If you have any questions, you can join us down in the Discord link below and come into the Basis Trading channel and give me a chat. Tell me I'm doing something wrong. Tell me I'm an idiot. It doesn't matter because I'm learning this right as long as most other folks in this community here of crypto enthusiasts. So come take a look at it, see if Discord is something that might help you get ahead, and because we talk about full node, syncing up full nodes, showing interesting contracts, and when exploits happen, we'll tend to discuss how the exploits went down and all that good stuff. So yeah, definitely join us in Discord below, folks. But all right, so let's get ourselves in another $8.30. Actually, the rate just changed on me. Let's get us into some $8.30 more of Bitcoin. That will, there we go. Bada boom. So now we have some more Bitcoin on our long side, and we now have increased our leverage and lowered the liquidation price. Because if we go in here and go to remove, if we were to remove now 50% of what's left, we would start getting up into the 40% margin ratio, which is where I don't like to go. I like to stay definitely well below 40, but since the market's falling, I'm willing to take a little bit more off of margin. We're still exposed to 76 BUSD worth of short exposure to Bitcoin, but since the prices come down, our margin requirements have also come down, allowing us to remove some and then simply add it to the other side of the equation, and then when we get a nice little pop, when we get another one of these kind of days, when we melt back up to above our downtrend here, we're gonna flip and do the other way. We're gonna sell some Bitcoin and then take that BUSD and then add it here. Is all we're gonna end up doing, folks. And this is gonna be we're gonna be recycling the same money back and forth to either side and just making money on either side of the game, folks, because that's how hedge funds and institutional traders play. They don't care where price is at. They simply buy and sell when it makes sense, and maintain their margin requirements on the short. So, alrighty, folks. Hopefully that was interesting for you. If it is, give me a subscribe and come join us in Discord, and maybe you can teach us something about something and we can all learn together as a community, folks. All right. I will catch you in that next video.